Do you struggle with being organized? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to continue our mini motivations video series here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and we are continuing our video series called Mini Motivations with Jodi. Today is episode 5, What Stands Out the Most? So I work with lots of clients in their homes and offices. And one of the things that stops people in their tracks from getting organized is they just get overwhelmed by looking at the room or the area that they want to declutter. It can be very overwhelming and you're just kind of stuck in your tracks. And so, what I tell people to do in that situation is to just pick a category of items that you see first and start with that. It does not matter which thing you do first, it really is more important that you get started. So, we could look at this playroom together and there is no right or wrong answer. I would say to you, if you were my client, okay, what type of item do you see in this playroom? Pick a category. And you might want to start with Barbies. You might want to start with Legos. You might want to start with dress up items. It would not matter what you started with, it's just a way to get started. So we would pick that category, we would pull all the things that fit into that category into one area and start reviewing. And that would get us going with an organizing project. We would do one category at a time, making decisions about what we want to keep and what we want to get rid of before figuring out where we want to store it. And then we would add things like labels to help us maintain the organization. Let me show you another photo to give you another example. So again, we're going to look at one group of items at a time. So this is a client, also a client photo, that they were very overwhelmed by the number of pairs of shoes that they owned. They had no idea they had so many shoes because they were not all being kept in one place. The goal was to keep them in one place, but first we wanted to review them all and see if we can do some paring down. So again, once we got them all out to review, it was overwhelming to my client. And I simply said to her, tell me one type of shoe that you see. We're going to go one category at a time. So she started with flip-flops. I picked up all the flip-flops off the floor. We brought them to the couch so that she can look at them and make some decisions. And with each category of shoes that we did, it was usually the same, right? So we did the flip-flops, we did the sneakers, we did the flats, we did the sandals, we did the low heels and the high heels and the boots. And each time we would just go one category at a time, look at them all together, make some decisions. Hey, I like these, I don't like these. These two are similar, so let me go with the one that's more comfortable. Oh, I never liked these, whatever it is. And that is what helped us to take a situation where we were stuck initially, like, oh my gosh, how do I even get started? You just go with what stands out the most and go one thing at a time. I hope this has encouraged you to start your organizing journey. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.